Xoi Yen at 35 being Nguyen Huu Huan is a must-visit spot for anyone exploring Hanoi's street food scene. Xoi, or sticky rice, is a quintessential Vietnamese comfort food. It's crafted into various dishes so beautifully by Vietnamese chefs that each one can be considered a work of art. Xoi Yen offers a modern twist on this classic dish. Picture this: glutinous rice layered with a paste of green mung beans and chicken fat. It's a harmonious blend of textures and flavors that truly delights the senses. But the magic doesn't stop there. Xoi can also be accompanied by a variety of toppings like hard-boiled eggs, pork, beef, or even fish. Each variation brings a unique taste experience, making every visit to Xoi Yen an adventure. Let's dive into a bit of history. Xoi has been a staple in Vietnamese cuisine for centuries, often served during special occasions and celebrations. The sticky rice is meticulously prepared, ensuring just the right consistency and flavor. Now, onto the cooking methods. Preparing Xoi involves soaking the glutinous rice overnight, then steaming it to perfection.